run out of road. They're still going to try and barge your way in. Lane end way back there, bud. Yeah, they're playing with the bus now. Lost their mirror. Oh, now they're crashing into me. Well, that was pretty stupid. 718 Victor.
A few moments later.
More radically here. Here we go. Yeah, he's just cut in front of the bus. He's going to brake check him now. Go talk to this guy. Hey, that guy, he raced up the left side here and crashed into you. I saw all that.
Which one? Whereabouts?
That was back on Boundary Street when you're coming up. He came like after the lane had already ended. He came ripping up behind me. Plus, he passed like 4 cars past me. He crashed in the side and he lost his mirror. I thought he'd rage. Like I saw him come up on your left, pull in front of you.
He pulled up in front of me and said something, but
Yeah, I saw it all. But I got footage of it. Do you want me to send it to City Council, or do you want to? Don't worry about it. No worries. Okay. Thanks.